Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna talk about Popcorn Time. So the Popcorn Time is an open source desktop app that live streams movies and TV shows from torrents without any need of downloading them. This app utilizes the PeerFlix command line utility, which I have already shown you in one of my videos. Popcorn Time uses different sources like popular torrents network, IMDb for movie ratings, and open subtitles for playing subtitles in different languages. Overall, it brings you the whole new experience to watch on-demand movies and TV shows from desktop. So let's install this in Linux Mint. Just open the internet browser and go to its official website, that is popcorntime.io. Hit enter. So here you can find the download link for Popcorn Time, and this is for 32-bit Linux system, and you can select the other platform by clicking on this link. Anyway, let me download this. So just save the star.xg file. Now it has started downloading. So before using Popcorn Time, you need to read this. Downloading copyright material may be illegal in your country. Use at your own risk. So you can use their VPN network to protect your privacy, and here's the link for the VPN networks. So this star.xg file is now downloaded. I'm gonna close the internet browser, go to the download folders. So that was the file. Just extract it here. Open this folder, and this is the Popcorn Time executable script. So you can simply launch this by double click here. Just accept the terms of service. I accept. So this is Popcorn Time, and you can see the list of movies appearing here. There is other categories also: TV series, anime, and you can filter this search by selecting the type, genre, sort by popularity, updated year, rating. Again, back to the movies. So these are the most popular movies, and this Popcorn Time utilizes the popular torrent networks to fetch the movies, and the IMDb for movie ratings. So you can even search any movie here. Let me search here: Apollo 13 later. So this is the search result. You can search for almost any movie here. Just click here, and here's the IMDb rating, and you can watch the trailer here. There is setting for video quality. I wanna change it to 720 pixel. So there is subtitles. You can select these subtitles. I wanna select it as English, and there is watch now option. You can watch it in the VLC player directly, or M player if you are having installed that. Otherwise you can play it through the default Popcorn Time. So just let me click on watch now. It's connecting, and it has started downloading the torrent. When this will complete 100%, this will start playing movie, and this will hardly take about 5 to 10 seconds depending on your internet speed. So you can see it has started playing the movie and it's streaming live. So this is how you can play any movie through this app. So that's all for now, friend. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.